I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 40 of the Crossword Collage hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And this is just a challenge where we use a crossword, write whatever we want in there, and decorate it however we want. So this week I'm doing this in honor of Palm Sunday. So I've got Palm Sunday, faith, hope, love, Jesus, save. And who knows, I'm sure I'll think of some more words to add in there. And so, without further ado, let's get started. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. My sweet husband got me some flowers. And so this was in with the flowers. So I'm going to use that as my background because I thought purple would be appropriate. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs. She is so talented, so fun to watch. She is going to be starting a new challenge, and it's birds. And I actually got the book that she recommended yesterday, so I'm very excited. It came in the mail. I got it last night. So, I'm excited. So, she's put out the first video of hers. So, I don't have the book that she's using yet. It's on its way. And, so I may just go ahead and make it and just glue it into that book. We'll have to see, but this, I won't be able to get to it probably until next week. So, because we've got Marguerite Miller tomorrow, and I still need to do that. I'm behind. It has been a lazy week for me, but I have just hadn't had the energy lately. But they did. I had a checkup and had to have some blood work done this past week, and so they did up my thyroid medicine, so hopefully that'll give me a little bit more energy because I hate feeling tired all the time. It's so much I want to do, and then I just get so overwhelmed it just seems like it's unattainable, and I hate feeling that way. I'm just going to add this on there. Slightly got it cut too short there. But with this, I don't use those scissors. Those are my good paper scissors. These I don't mind. I've already cut glue with these. But I can go ahead and add in this paper down here. All right. Trim up. I'm going to put these up before I mess up. Okay. I have been reading my Jana DeLeon and laughing through it. I'm almost halfway through it. I forgot how much I knew I loved these books. I've talked about them enough, but they make me laugh. It doesn't look like this is gonna. Try this again. If you get a hold of a good book that makes you laugh, that just adds so much. Okay, now good and sticky. Now I have this. I've already inked my pieces. This will be probably a quick quick one, but it sure took a while to find and fussy cut. I wished I had a whole donkey, but I couldn't, or a colt I should say, but I could not find one. So now I've got these from my botanist sticker anthology, and I do know these are probably ferns, but you know, there's only so much, so many palm fronds you can find. So, and I cut out everything I could find. So, well, this came from my bibliophilia sticker book. These I backed on book page, and this is from my cut and collage. Like I said, I couldn't find a whole. But we're gonna have him. He's there waiting on Jesus, or for the disciples to bring him to Jesus. See, mix up some of the smaller and the. Like that. Like I said, it's going to be simple. Okay. Now, let's get this down. Go ahead and get this tacked down. The others will be on top, but this one I've got kind of wrapped around underneath too. So yeah, today is Saturday as I'm making this. My husband was off Thursday and Friday because he had to work last Sunday, and so I don't get quite as much done when he's home. It's not his fault. I spend the time, and then when I'm home alone, it's like when I get up, I just start doing stuff. But when I'm with him, you know, I get up and I always start off with my Bible study, but you know, just sitting around talking with him, and I get comfortable, and it's like once you get comfortable, you don't feel like getting up and doing anything. And so I need to be better about that. Like I said, it's not his fault. He's not keeping me from doing anything. But I'm not very disciplined. I haven't started in the line yet. I just haven't had time to watch that on my own. And but my husband and I have been watching Bones. And we've been enjoying it. Oh, scoot it down some. There we go. I'm going to add that truth right there. Our weather's been kind of odd. It had been up in the almost 80s if it hadn't reached the 80s definitely the high 70s. And then we got down in the low 30s, upper 20s. It's supposed to be the upper 20s. I don't know that it actually made it here. But we back up in the 60s today, but it's been real rainy and drizzly today. But so far, no bad weather, which I'm thankful. This time of year, it can go really bad quickly. We've been blessed. Tornadoes have hit all around us, but it hasn't hit us here. It has hit on Mississippi State, but we live on the other side of Starkville. Not to say it won't happen, but I'm very thankful that it hasn't so far. Okay, now I'm going to put down my label. The birds sure have been chirpy. I like it. My husband always says he don't know what they have to be so happy about. They don't have a car, they don't have a phone, all they have is Twitter. I thought it was funny. I had to delete Twitter. I like Elon Musk, and I appreciate that he lets truth out. But gosh, it's gotten to where some of the most vulgar videos have been coming up on my feed, and I'm not putting up with that. And I get depressed, so it's just best to stay off of it. That's why there's hope here in the next few weeks, or it's always hope, but Jesus has always been there for us. Whether we realize it or not. It's hard to believe that next week will be Easter. It just looks too much like a tree. I don't know. Maybe I just tuck it that way. You don't see the bottom part. And now for the colt. And my gold splatters. I'll add just a few black, not much. And I'm going to say this is done. I know it was quick for you, but I've been working on fussy cutting and trying to find stuff for a couple of hours. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care now. Happy Palm Sunday. Bye, y'all.